Sige nga, go. Fly ang airplane, be. Wow. Haro ka dyan. Sige nga, paliparin yung airplane. Kung hindi ba matiurok yan.
Nagpipitch up.
Ay, ganda ng airplane ni Javid ah. Wow.
It's a Boeing 747.
Oh. Japper, come here.
Uy, pro flip.
Oh, ganda ng airplane ni Javid. Lapit mo nga dito yung airplane mo. Wow, ang ganda ng
It's
airplane.
a Boeing 747.
Wow.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna get another paper. What? What did you say? Look, I'm making a new one because that thing didn't fly. So this is my chance. This is a bond paper. I get the thing over there inside of it. So I'm gonna make it.
Oh, may airplane ka din, Japper. Wow, ang ganda ng airplane.
I'm gonna fly this circle.
Galing naman. Oh, galing naman ng toys ni Javid. Oh.
The moon is coming!
Be, tingin ang airplane ng Japper, be. Wow, man ang airplane. Wow.
Laki ng airplane ko eh.
Yes. Wow,
Hello!
yan.
I'm this white airplane in the world.
Wild airplane, the world.
And the lip is called like a lips.
Lips.
This is the Boeing 747. And this is the lips, that's the one. Then I wash this plane and the world and the wings and the head. You're washing the 747 with your head? Yes. Okay, I'm sure now. Wow. Okay. This plane had a Boeing. And this wheel is a small.
Okay na.
Bye-bye. This is the giant wheel.